This is a place where Ken Doman, a famous Japanese photographer, visited every year until the end of his life. In spring, Japanese apricot, several kinds of sakura, forsythia, magnolia, and hanamomo flowers bloom at the same time. From the lean times before the Second World War, Abe family began to plant several types of plants and flowers that would be cut and sold to florists and ikebana artists. The field was opened to the public in 1959 at the request of the family owner, Isejiro Abe, who wanted to make this place a joy for everyone who visited. Now it is familiar to Fukushima citizens as well as tourists from both inside and outside the prefecture.